Bismillah, one thing could change everything I couldn't ever imagine. Today is the day 40, day 50 of real making of our chicken coop for our chickens. Presently, I am near to our chicken coop and feeding our chicken chicks. See how they are rushing to eat it. And I welcome you to the latest video of SABZ ADAD. And if you like this type of content, you like raising chickens and pigeons, you can like this video and you can subscribe to the SABZ ADAD. What one thing can change everything in your life? I mean, nowadays we use mobile phones to not create content. We use it because we consume the content of it. And in last 2 days, I avoided to use consumption and avoided to use the YouTube and Facebook and try to make my screen time lower, and it changed everything. What it changed, I sleeping on the early time. I mean, I am going to the bed early and wake up in early. Due to it, I couldn't I could be able to make deep bond between me and the chickens. See, if I am even touching them, they are saying nothing and not fearing. Second thing, I couldn't be able to go to the 5 time namaz. If I am going to the namaz, it could be more beneficial for me. It organized my total day and I could be able to focus on my other plans of the days, and I could be focused to do new things by avoiding the content consumption. So if you want to do something, first you have to avoid the content consumption. I know it's not going to be easy, it is hard. Nearly we consume the content from the 10 years and it has been habited to us. That's why I took 21 days of challenge of not to consume the content. Not to consume the content, but content creation could be done by you or me. So that could be could able to share our thoughts to anyone who want to change and learn something. So this was the day 49 or 50. I really don't remember which day is the real making of our chicken coop. Let's see what is going to happen on the day 51 or day 50. Whether I am going to start again the consuming of the content, or I could continue to complete this challenge of day 21 days of challenge of not to consume the content.